Bird and Bear by Ann James. Bird and Bear. Welcome to the world, baby Hanno, says Bird. All aboard, says Bear. A peanut is for sharing. Today is Bear's birthday. Tap, tap, tap. Wake up, Bear. Good morning, Bird, says Bear. Would you like some breakfast? Happy birthday, Bear, Bird says. Here's a present. It's a peanut. It has 2 delicious nuts inside. How thoughtful, says Bear. Thanks, Bird. What should we do today? Get dressed, Bear, says Bird. Quick, Bear, put your boots on. Who's that? Asks Bird. That's my friend, the other bear, says Bear. He looks just like you, Bird says. Is it a sunny day or a rainy day, Bear? Asks Bird. It's a sunny day, says Bear. Let's have a picnic. A birthday picnic, says Bird, and a red bucket might come in handy. All aboard, calls Bear. Off we go, calls Bird. Out the gate they walk, down the street and across the crosswalk. Through the park they go, over the sand, up the steps. To the pier. We're here, says Bear. Look, says Bird, the other bear is here too. So he is, says Bear. And look, there's another bird who looks just like you. How about that, says Bird. My tummy's rumbling, says Bear. It must be picnic time. Uh-oh, calls Bird. The other bear is gone. Maybe he's over here, says Bear. Here they both are, says Bird. That's good, says Bear as he gets the picnic ready. One for me, and one for you. And one for the other bear, says Bear. And some crumbs for the other bird, says Bird. Suddenly the water ripples. Ooh. So, it's not a real bear, says Bear. And it's not a real bird, says Bird. Then Bear smiles. Let's play a birthday game, he says. And let's take the red bucket, says Bird. Hello, other bear. Hello, other bird, says Bear. Goodbye, other bear. Goodbye, other bird. Time to go, says Bear. All aboard. Off we go again, calls Bird. Along the pier they walk. I liked having a friend who was just like me, says Bear. Down the steps. Me too, says Bird. And over the sand. But, says Bear, it's good to have a friend who is different. Yes, it is, says Bird. Through the park they go. It's nice to have someone to talk to, says Bird. Across the crosswalk. Very nice, says Bear. And down the street. Do you have a bird day, Bird? Asks Bear. I have a hatch day, says Bird, and it's coming up soon. They stop at Bear's gate. We could do something special for your hatch day, Bird, says Bear. Let's, says Bird. See you tomorrow, Bird. See you tomorrow, Bear.